Good morning. We're currently in Penang right now. It's about 10:13. We're in Penang, Georgetown. We're gonna head over to the ferry and cross over into Butterworth, or we're gonna catch a train 12:35, which will take us to the border, Palang Besar, and then from there we'll take a train on the Thai Express all the way to Surat Thani, stay the night, and then we'll cross over to Koh Samui tomorrow in the morning. So yeah, looking forward to experiencing Thai railway for the first time. See how it's like. I'm sitting in the terminal right now, waiting to board the ferry to leave Georgetown. Honestly, I'm really gonna miss Georgetown, Penang. It's a really nice city. You know, Old Town is super nice. I didn't even get to see everything. I didn't get to go to the national park. I didn't get to go to the beach. There's still a lot of stuff to do. I'm really gonna miss this place. Yeah, hope I come back soon. Maybe for retirement, I'll consider coming back here. We're almost at Butterworth, which is right over there. Okay. Arrived in Penang Central and got the ticket sorted out. So the train is leaving at 12:35. Right now it's 11:23. Should probably be at the station by about 20 minutes before the train departs. So we're gonna go get lunch. See if there's anything. If there's any snacks we can buy at KL Central. Maybe we'll get, I don't know, KFC or Four Fingers. Yeah, let's go get lunch. KFC it is. Looks pretty grim, not gonna lie. You just lump the fries all over the table. But yeah, that's what it looks like in Malaysia. Alright, test fries. Hot, crispy, pretty good. On the burger. Huh. Super hot on the inside. I mean, yeah, it's pretty decent. Pretty good. I'm gonna polish it down. And head back to the station. Pick up some snacks for the train. We're at the right platform. Sorry. Here we are. Hi, sorry, Penang Besar? Almost missed it. Take roughly 2 hours. It's a free sitting train. It's not the same as the one. It's not the same as ETA. station. At least the gate over there, there was some problem that we finally got out of it. We gotta find a way to Thailand. Across the border. I think first we're gonna get a SIM card and then we'll go. Yeah, so while we're waiting for that, we can go get some food for the train. Take it anyways. Sorry. Chicken curry puffs. Got water in the bag, so it's alright. I'm just gonna get the curry puff and the nasi lemak. Bought a curry puff for the road, but it looked too good, so I'd eat it now. It's actually really good. Loads of stuffing on the inside: chicken, potato. 2 ringgit. Pretty good. Well, I'll pick up another one for the train. I got nasi lemak. That one I'll keep. Yeah, on the train. We're gonna wait here for another 3 hours. I was thinking of going around to walk for a little bit, but it looks like there's really nothing around here. This temple, that's about it. Gonna wait at the station for another 3 hours. It's 5 o'clock Thai time, not Malaysia time. So that's plus 1 hour. I think I'm just gonna stay here, watch some TV, and wait for the train. Yeah, finally managed to board the train. This is what it looks like inside. I managed to get the time version as well, so I'm gonna find seat number 2. Where we're going to spend the next 5 hours. So now it's super clean. This is, I don't know what this is. The space for the workers. And this bed. Well, it's not on the top, but we'll be sleeping on this one, so we'll be sleeping on the lower one. So yeah, there's like no seat. There's like no table or anything over here. There used to be a table, but then we moved it. So we're just gonna have to like eat on our lap, work on a lap. I mean, it's like, it's okay, it's manageable. There's like a little power socket over there. Then, seat number 2, that's our seat. Got fans up there, but we don't need that because there's AC. So, I mean, like, for 120 ringgit, honestly, I think ETS is better. I mean, this comes with a bed. It's like this will flow onto a bed later. It's honestly not that bad. It just could be a little cleaner, that's all. Yeah, I'll check back to you, check back with you after the train starts to move. Check out the bathrooms. This is okay. Looks like it smells pretty terrible. It's like decent Western style toilet though. Not toilet paper. This one. I think this one's closed, but we should probably the same. This is there's everything outside. A little sink in here. I mean, it's kind of grim. Like you look around, like everything is like not super well maintained. It's a little bit dirty, but there are 5 hours. It's really not that bad, and I think it's still better than the train we're gonna take in Vietnam. So, I mean, that's still went wrong, but I don't know. I think these are the blankets for later when they convert it to beds. It's about 10 minutes until we depart. Still no one sitting next to me, so maybe I have both to myself, which is great. hopefully there's dinner as well, because I don't think nasi lemak bar is enough for me. So fairly empty train, I guess. Just, you know, I'm not complaining. Extra legroom, more space for my stuff. But anyways, we're gonna have first snack of the trip. I have my curry puff because I'm super hungry right now. Oh, some curry puff just now. Super good. It's kind of warm. It's been sitting out for like 3 hours. A curry nip, chicken, potato, some onion as well. Really, really good. Someone just came in here trying to sell tea and coffee. I'm not really interested in drinking coffee right now because it's like 6 o'clock already. But let's hope they come in here selling snacks. How much? What is that?
Chicken.
Oh, chicken. Okay then. No, it's okay. I'm good. Thank you. That's okay. Thank you. Yeah, I don't really want to eat just fried chicken right now, so pass on that. Sorry? Can I get the... Can I get the Thai train fried rice? Yeah. Making the bed right now. This is what the bed looks like from the outside. Put like linen on it and everything, like new sheets. Put like another bed at the bottom, and then there's the original seat there. So it's actually pretty good. It's pretty soft. The pillow as well is pretty soft. Everything's pretty clean. And then you can like put these shades over it so you get some privacy. Honestly, right, I think you could actually sleep on this. I'm not gonna sleep on it though, because train finishes at 10:30, so I should be able to make it back to the hotel before like 11 o'clock, so I don't need to sleep. But yeah, it's just what it looks like. The food has arrived, and I didn't think about it just now when he asked me to put my bed up, but I probably shouldn't have put the bed up before the food came. But okay, we'll just have to eat it on this blanket thing. It doesn't wet the rest of the bed. Soup and then like a juice. Let's open it up and eat it. So got our fried rice over here. They call it train fried rice. I don't know what's in it. Like some chicken, like a fried egg, cucumber, watermelon, like some spring rolls. Give it a try. Bad for train food. Next is spring roll. dinner is done, and it's about 7:30. We have about 3 hours until we get to our destination, so then I'm gonna go to sleep for a little bit, and I'll wake up right before we get there. There's like pretty good leg room over here. I'm like just about 5'8", so if you're 5'8", you can just about fit in here pretty nicely. So I'm gonna go to bed and wake up right before we get there. Good night. Time is 10:53. I'm just about to pull into Surat Thani. Oh, sorry. They're refixing the bed for the next person to come in. This bed's already made for someone else. But yeah, so we're getting off here. I'm about to pull in. Yep. Okay, so I just go over there. Okay, thank you. Let's put this one on. Make sure nothing's left. And we head out. Alright. Okay. Thank you. We are in Surat Thani. So Surat Thani, this is the train. Forgot to get some footage of it just now, but yeah, this is what the train looks like from the outside. SRT, State Railway Thailand. I'm gonna get out of here. I don't know, not many people are getting off here. I think this train goes all the way to Bangkok, so most of them are going all the way to Bangkok. We're getting off here at Surat Thani. And we're gonna get a grab to our hotel. Yeah, I'll see you later. Yeah, so we're at the my place at Surat Thani now. This is the hotel. We got the cheapest room, obviously, to maintain that budget. It's 29 ringgit a night, or it's about $6.50 to $7. Just for this night, which is basically the same price as it's slightly cheaper than the one we stayed in Penang, but not by that much. So this is the room. Very, very old. But what do you expect for the price you're paying? I mean, you get an entire room. It comes with a cupboard and hangers. No AC though. That is probably the worst part about this room. No AC, just this fan. Well, the fan works pretty well. This is the view from the window. Not much of a view, but I mean, this is not really. I mean, you come to this hotel not to stay here and like enjoy the view or enjoy the hotel. You just come here to sleep and to wait for your layover. Bed's not bad. It's decently soft. Sheets are, I mean, not the cleanest, but it's not terrible. Bed is old. Everything's just old, you know. There's wooden furniture. If you really look closely, there is some nasty stuff, but overall, and for one night's sleep, it'll do. But never again. Always, but you gotta book the hotel with AC. If you're in Southeast Asia, do not do this, because this is gonna bore me alive. Even if I opened that window, it didn't really change anything. So I'm just gonna keep it shut. There's like a little opening over there, so hopefully that will circulate enough air into this room. Yeah. Also, no bathroom. Shared bathroom outside. So all the rooms on the 4th floor all like this, and they all share the bathrooms outside. Bathrooms are pretty grim. Maybe I'll show you guys that later, but not right now because I'm just gonna go to sleep now. I'm too tired for any of this. I'm just gonna go brush my teeth, then I'm gonna go to sleep. Yeah. Hopefully the hostel, sorry, in Koh Samui tomorrow is much nicer. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow.